Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'll be doing my first impressions and also be doing three eye makeup looks using the new ABH Norvina Volume 5 eyeshadow palette. Yes, I purchased the palette finally. Okay, so first things first, if you like to watch makeup reviews and first impressions of new makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now let's go get started. Okay, my skin's not doing great right now. I was using two new skincare products, new moisturizer that I got for free from influencer, which I was testing out. It broke me out. And then I also bought a new SPF, broke me out. Also my neck area, which like really happened on me. So right now my skin is just not doing great. I mean, it's healing and everything, but still, still there are acne scars. This one, oh my god. Okay, so I have really sensitive acne prone skin, so I always stick with products that I know is gonna work on my skin. So moving on with the palette, this is the beautiful Norvina ABH Norvina Volume 5 eyeshadow palette. The only palette that I have is the this one. Let me show you guys. There's so much mess right now in front of me. So the ABH Volume 3 palette, which I did my first impressions. I really like it. I'm gonna tell you guys, gonna be honest, I haven't used that palette. I mean, this big ABH Volume 3 is so big. It's very different from the purple palette. That one's like a summer orange palette, so very different. I really like the formulation from the ABH Volume 3, so I'm very excited about this one too, because I heard so many great things about this palette. I think I watched maybe 2-3 reviews, so that's why I decided to get this. The colors are really pretty. I have to be honest, the colors are really beautiful. The mattes are beautiful. Oh my gosh, the shimmers are also so beautiful. I'm going to insert swatches of all the shades in the palette. So this is huge. So $60 for this palette, same price as the other, Norvina ABH palette. So very let me cover this up for you guys with this huge mirror. So oh god, so pretty, so beautiful. So that's why, okay, now my lighting is it's like doing weird right now. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna do makeup tutorials right now, guys. I'll be doing 2 makeup looks, and then the last one will be the one that I'm be wearing. Okay, and I'm very overwhelmed with the colors because there's a lot of beautiful shades in here. So I think I'm gonna be using natural brushes first. So I'll be using the refer number 16 brush. Let me zoom you in a little bit. I'll be using the shade E2 on my right side, using the refer number 16 brush. So I'm just gonna tap. Oh, this is pretty. Gonna do a lot in here. Very impressive. It's a little, patchy, but not bad at all. I mean, still workable, still blendable. Very nice. And next, I'll be picking up the shade D4 with the refer number 15 brush. So I guess I'm starting off with purples. And this one, she's a little patchy. Okay, so this one is not bad at all too. Because purples, reds are really, even blues are really hard to formulate. I mentioned this many times on my channel. So I'm really kind of holding my breath right now by blending this purple, because I do not like purple, like patchy purple shades. This one's still, I mean, it's a little patchy, but not bad. Next is the shade E5. just to emphasize it a little bit more. And I'm using the brush reference number, I think number 14. It's very, very thin and pointy, which is like perfect for like the crease area, for like a defined crease. Next is the shade D4 again. I'm just gonna drag it all the way to my lower lashes. Why am I making so like weird? My face right now looks really, really weird. Going like this. Then I'm going to use like a lighter purple because everything's like purpley. So I'm gonna use a lighter purple. I'm thinking of using the shade D2. Let's do this. I'm gonna do this. So this is almost like a pressed glitter. Oh yeah, definitely. But still pretty though. I think I'm gonna use the shade C2 first. And then maybe oh wow, pretty. Wow. Wow, I am impressed. I'm gonna apply a little bit of the glitter, like topper. One thing I noticed about the glitter topper, it's not very, like, doesn't feel like Vaseline-y. Vaseline-y, doesn't feel like there's Vaseline in it, like sticky. Alright, so I'm really loving this, like very shiny I mean the shimmers and the topper. Very, very beautiful. You need to do your eye makeup first with this because it will fall out. See guys? But overall, I'm very impressed so far. I'm gonna use the shade A4. So I'm gonna use the brownish purple shades from the palette. And then I think the last one would be like a, I was gonna say something. Like lilac purple eye makeup, the last one. I think I'm gonna do that. And this is very nice, very, very nice. A little bit powdery, but you know, it is what it is. I'll be picking up the shade B4 with the Persona brush. The shade B4 has some so powdery. It also has a speck of glitters to it, so but it looks a little, I mean, it looks more matte than glittery. So I'm happy about this one. This is pretty. The next matte shade is going to be C5. I'm using the brush from Huda Beauty from the Nudie Nude collection. Oh, I'm gonna use another brush because it's kind of stiff. So I'm just gonna use what is this one? Urban Decay brush. Okay, so I'm gonna use shade A3 because this eye look is very similar to the other one. So I'm just gonna continue with this. Maybe use something else. Because they have like very, very, you know, purpley undertones. So this is pretty. The shimmers in here are very, very nice and shiny, very reflective. Ah, wow. And then I'm gonna use the I think I'm gonna use this shade B4 again on my lower lashes. Eye looks look really, really messy. I'm gonna clean up the mess. Everything I'm gonna put on lashes, completion products. I'm sure you guys completed makeup looks, and then I'll be showing you my final look on the third one. So far, I'm very, very impressed. I'll be right back. Here are the completed makeup looks. Very impressed so far in person. The purple's really nice, especially the shimmery shades from the palette. Oh my goodness, I love the reflective shimmery shades in here. The mask also very, very nice. The products I'm wearing today, guys, I'm going to link them down on my box below. The links are affiliate links, meaning I'll get commission when we use my links. But you know, it's just a way for me to maintain my channel, continue uploading, excuse the noise, new videos for you guys. But if you don't feel comfortable at all, you don't have to. So very nice, very nice. So I'm gonna remove this both eye looks and then I'll be right back with my final look, and then I'll be telling you guys my thoughts about the new Norvina ABH palette. Already primer lids, I use my Makeup Bar Mine. As you can see guys, I have been using this one for almost a year. Alright, so I'm gonna use this palette again. This will be the last makeup. So we're using like light purple, like very soft pastel purples. So I'm gonna use this Alamar Cosmetics brush, and I'll be starting off with the shade B2. So my eyelids right now are very like stained from the previous shadows because purples, reds, pinks did those stain the lids. So that's why I have like stained eyelids right now, especially on my lower lashes. Like I look like I have really have dark circles. Next is the shade, the B3, which is like a lilac purple shade. And I'm just gonna, ooh, this is pretty. Wow, not chalky at all, because pastel shades most of the time are chalky and powdery, patchy. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I am very impressed. So I'm using the brush from Urban Decay, sorry, Urban Decay. Oh my god. Okay, so next is the shade C3. Just to emphasize my lid area again. And I'm using Alamar Cosmetics brush. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, guys. I mean, I do not regret getting this palette. Okay, so for the shimmer shade, I'll be using the shade C1. I'm gonna use my finger to apply this. Oh my god. Gorgeous. So gorgeous. Ooh, so pretty. Third makeup look, very nice. I really like, no, not loved the palette. I really loved the palette. Every purple shade from the palette blended like butter. Maybe two shades were a little patchy, but they were still very workable. They just so look beautiful on the eyes. Oh my god, I love the matte shades. Even the shimmer shades, they look very reflective, my type of, you know, shimmer shades. This one is a like, this is like almost like a Vaseline shimmery eyeshadow. Doesn't feel like Vaseline, doesn't have like the very sticky Vaseline feeling to it. So I'm not sure how, maybe if this is a, I'm not sure if this is a long lasting, you might need like a glue or eyeshadow, what do you call that? Eyeshadow glue to make this last long. So I'm gonna let you guys know next time, because I'm really impressed. I mean, I really like this color. The shimmer is very reflective, my type of shimmers. Overall, I really like the palette. I wish it was a little bit, you know, smaller than this one, because it's just too big for me, for my liking. But overall formulation, very beautiful. I really loved this palette, guys. I'm very happy. So if you're looking for a versatile purple palette, this is a big palette. So if you're looking for a very versatile purple palette, I highly recommend this one, because you can create different types of purple looks in this palette. If you want something like smoky, You have these shades in here. You want something like in between a smoky and a pastel. You can mix the light shades with the dark shades, which I did, like the two looks that I did. And if you want something like this, like a it's like a pastel, but not too pastel, not too pastel. The shades are also really, really great for like a pastel purple. So this is a very, very versatile makeup eyeshadow. Oh my god, I just pinched my finger. Eyeshadow palette. So this is very versatile. Very, I mean, I highly recommend, guys, if you're into purple shades. If you're looking for like a versatile purple palette, this is the palette for you guys. $60 worth the money. You get like a lot of shades in here. I don't know how many shades in here, but the formulation, oh my god, mattes, beautiful. The shimmer is very reflective. I am very impressed with this palette. I could see myself using this one next time, guys. I'm gonna be wearing purple. I wish I could bring this with me this weekend. So, because I really like the purple. So this is the end of my video. Please, my camera's dying. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.